There, zillstar, and welcome. In this fabulous two-part finger cymbal combination tutorial, I'm going to teach you a really fun finger cymbal riff, plus the belly dance to go along with it, and we are going to put it all together with music. So tie on your hip scarf, grab your finger cymbals, and let's make some music. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome to my YouTube belly dance channel. I am so glad that you are here, and if it's your first time joining me, welcome to the party. And if you are coming back for yet another fantastic finger cymbal tutorial, thank you, thank you, thank you for being a total Zill rock star. I am thrilled that you're here. So today we are tackling a two-part tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the finger cymbal riff with 3 different sounds. And then we're also going to look at the belly dance combination that you will be putting together with it. And then in the next tutorial, keep an eye out for it, we will be putting them all together with music. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I hope you have your finger cymbals on. We are going to start with the Zill riff because I find that that takes the most brain power. So we're going to go ahead and get that done first. I am playing today my fabulous Tuts in brass from the amazing Saroyan Mastercrafts. If you're interested in picking up a pair of these cymbals, you can find them at sahirabellydances.com/Saroyan cymbals, and I'll put a link down below for you. So I'm going to go ahead and play the riff for you so you can listen to it, and then I'm going to count it for you. Yeah, so here we go. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it is counted, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 again, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. I count my finger cymbal patterns with the musical counting method because this is how musicians count music. And my friend, once you put these finger cymbals on your fingers, you are officially a musician and a dancer, which is pretty badass if you ask me. So if you have any questions about how this cymbal counting method works, there are lots of videos here on my channel where you can look up the musical counting method and get more information. But I'm going to play it for you as well, and I'm going to say it plenty of times so you're going to be able to play it no matter what, I promise you. So if you listen closely, you might kind of recognize in the first part of the riff, it's a little bit like a Beladi or a Saidi or a Maksum, depending on how you're playing it, right? But that doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, it has a little reminiscence of that. So that's kind of how I came into this. It's sort of taking the Beladi concept and modifying it a bit. And a 1 and 2E and 3. Yeah? And a 1 and 2E and 3. We're going to be playing it with 2 different sounds, our basic and our clack. And we're going to play bass, bass, clack, clack, bass, 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 clack. Bass being the basic. Yeah? Bass, bass, clack, clack, bass, 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 clack. And a 1 and 2E and 3. So if I'm marking the time, 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1 and 2E and 3. Let's go. And again. One more time. Yes, I really encourage you, I invite you to find a way to put the beat or the rhythm or the tempo in your body as you play, even if you're not dancing. So if you're sitting, maybe you're tapping your foot to the beat. If you're standing, maybe you're just doing a side sort of step touch kind of thing so that you're feeling the 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe you're walking around 2, 3, 4, because the hardest thing about finger cymbals, what everybody always tells me is I can play the riff, I can dance the dance, and I cannot put the 2 together. And step 1 to putting the 2 together is understanding where this lies within the heartbeat of the music. So go ahead and use your body to mark that heartbeat, to mark the beat, right? To mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything will be easier after that, I promise. So we have that first half of our riff, and a 1 and 2E and 3. The second part is just a run, straight 16th notes, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, right? So we're playing 3 counts of 16th notes. We're playing them on a ring. I'm doing them edge to edge. So you're working on getting that really angelic, light ringing sound as opposed to the harder basic sound which has a bigger attack and a louder tone in general, right? So we're playing this with the ring. I'm thinking of taking the cymbals edge to edge here, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. So let's mark the tempo somehow, either tapping your foot, walking in place, marching in place, walking in circles, whatever you'd like to do. If this is going 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Again. And a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Do it again. One more time. Yes, so now if we put the two together, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. So you'll notice there's a little bit of like a pause between each of the sections. Be sure to pause, breathe, relax. I think with finger cymbals, one of the hardest things to do is not play, right? Once you get playing, you just want to play continuously. So allow that little pause to be there. So let's go ahead and mark the timing with the body, and we'll say it. I invite you to say it with me out loud. If you can say it, you can play it, right? So let's try to say it. If we go on 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Again, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. 2 more times, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Here we go. Ring. Face, face, back, back, face, face, back, face. It's face, face, back, back, face, 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 back. One more time. Two more times, actually. Let's do it one more. And pause. Yeah. So take your time to practice that as much as you need. Feel free to slow it down. And if you're a newer finger cymbal player, feel free to do it all on one tone as well. Switching between tones is definitely a challenge. And so if you haven't mastered all those tones yet, you can totally play the entire riff on one sound. I would probably recommend the basic, but the ring is kind of a nice one too. So practice that. And when you're ready, let's go ahead and learn the dance moves. Alrighty, so if you know me, you know we never just stand there and play the finger cymbals, right? The whole point, because we're belly dancers, is that we're gonna dance with them, yeah? So I'm gonna take you through the pattern now, and we're gonna go through what we do with the body, with what is the belly dance combination. And then I'm gonna give you some time to digest it, and I'll make another video for you where we put it all together with music. But because we're working with finger cymbals and the dancing, right, which is a challenge, we're kind of talking about bandwidth here. I always think, you have like a maximum capacity in your brain. And when the zills are really challenging, if you're doing something that is, high within your skill level, then the dancing has to be a little bit more subdued. Or if it's vice versa, if you're taking the zills and you're making it kind of easy, then you can really go for it with the dance. So hopefully this is all kind of a nice medium, intermediate to advanced intermediate, but feel free to modify anything you need so that you can put the two of these together. But let's go ahead and do the dance combination with no finger cymbals. So we're all going to totally crush it. Yeah, we're going to keep it fairly simple, fairly repetitive. While the finger cymbal combination is 8 counts, we're going to actually do 2 different combos to it, but we'll use the same finger cymbal combination. So combination number 1, we're starting with a hip drop release. Arms are going to be in 4th. Yeah, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. So drop, release twice. And then we're going to do a single hip ami that scoops back and around, back and around. So this is like a circle on the mirror that scoops back, lifts up with the oblique, pulls forward here with the hip flexor and releases, right? So you're taking a little circle on the mirror twice, back to front. You can use the ball of the right foot for support. Hands will come slightly out from the head, not too close because you're playing the finger cymbals, right? So keep them a little bit further away. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So let's imagine this first one here. We're going drop, release, circle, circle. And I almost don't finish this one because I'm going to flip myself around here just by stepping that right foot back. And then we're going to do drop, release, drop, release, circle, circle. So same thing here, reaching back, pulling up, tucking front, and releasing. So if you're looking at the circle you're drawing on the mirror, it is clockwise on this side. Circle and circle. So that's combo one, right? Happens the same right and left. So let's do it one more time here. Drop, release, circle, and circle, switch. Drop, release, circle, and circle. Then we're going to go into combo two. Our finger symbols will remain the same, but we'll do another combination just to challenge ourselves. We're going to go into some walking hip downs. You can do them in releve or flat-footed, whatever works for you. Left foot is free, so I'm going to do 3 walking hip downs going forward. Drop, drop, drop. And then from here, I'm going to inner hip roll, starting with the left weighted leg, inner hip roll left, inner hip roll right. So once again, we had just finished this. Arms are going to come up as the left hip goes down, down, down. Then inner hip roll left, inner hip roll right. We'll repeat the same thing, but it's going to start on the right because our right hip is lifted and ready to go. We'll go backwards, down, right, left, right. And then from here, we're going to do 2 undulations to turn us to the angle so we're ready to start over again. And as I do it, I kind of take my arms here in the center and let them circle each other. Undulation, undulation, right? So the second part of that combo, one more time after we finished our ami on this side, we're going down left, down right, down left, inner hip roll left, inner hip roll right, down left, down right, undulation, undulation. You'll notice I kind of step with that undulation. I step on the left, step on the right, and I'm ready to start again. Yeah? Let's try that one more time through the whole dance combination. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hip downs. Go left, right, left. Hold. Inner hip roll left, inner hip roll right. Go right, left, right. Hold. Undulate one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. Drop, release, ami, ami. Stepping left, right, left, inner right. Step right, left, right. Undulate, undulate, and pose. Nicely done, fabulous dancer. So now you have both parts. You have the finger cymbal riff to practice. You have the belly dance movements to practice. And so go ahead and work on those. And then I'll be giving you another video very soon that has them put together to music. So definitely try to get those into your muscle memory, because when you start to put the two together, you have to put something on autopilot in a way. And most likely it's going to be the belly dance combination. So work that combo until it comes out of you naturally. And when I see you again, we will put all of it together to music. Nice work. Hey, if you liked this tutorial, you are going to love the ZIL Challenge, which is a 10-day challenge designed to give you the foundation you need and help you grow your finger cymbal skills. 10 days of tutorials with me delivered to your inbox every day. 10 days of amazing community, Q&A, prize sessions, and a lot of feedback to help you grow your finger cymbal skills with me and hundreds of other dancers by your side. Registration will be opening soon. You can check it out at thezillchallenge.com, happening in May of 2023. I would love to make music with you there.